So what exactly is this Chat GPT we keep hearing about? In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what it is and why you should look into it. What's going on, guys? Kenneth Dusang here. So I'm actually a real estate investor. We buy and sell houses without using our own money or credit. And if you want to learn how to do that, go ahead and text me here. But in this video today, we're going to go over exactly what Chat GPT is and why you should be using it. Chat GPT it's a language processing tool. It's driven by AI technology, and it actually allows you to have a more human-like conversation with AI, and the AI will actually give you generated responses back like a human would. So yeah, it's kind of creepy, but it's kind of cool on the flip side. And a lot of the programs will actually create SEO-friendly content for blogs, Facebook ads, Google ads, and pretty much Shopify. So there's a lot of different uses for this AI technology that's coming out. And actually, AI actually created the title for this video. So one crazy thing about AI is how advanced it's becoming. So one of the founders of OpenAI, Elon Musk, who I guess he left that company, he said AI is going to be a huge infrastructure for the future. It's going to be really big. It's probably a good thing to start learning about it and seeing exactly what it is. I'm going to be dropping some more videos on what Chat GPT does and how you can use it. You can actually go over to a company called Sonic, which is a company we're using. And if you're a content creator or if you're a business that likes to write blogs, definitely check them out. There's a lot of free resources on that website, a lot of tutorials, and check them out. It's a really cool company. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it was a short one, but we're going to have a lot more content coming all around Chat GPT and AI, and I hope you enjoy.